In 2021, a homeowner in Columbus, Ohio inherited $60,000, called his mortgage company, and watched his monthly payment drop by $412 starting the very next billing cycle. He never refinanced, never underwent a new credit check, and never paid the $2,000 to $5,000 in closing costs a refinance usually demands. The tool he used is called a mortgage recast, and it works nothing like a refinance. A refinance replaces your entire loan with a brand new one, complete with a new credit check, a new appraisal, and thousands in fees. A recast keeps your original loan, your original interest rate, and your original term exactly as they are, and simply recalculates your payment around your new, lower balance. Here's what surprised him most. His bank, U.S. Bank, never mentioned this option anywhere in his closing documents, his mortgage statements, or his online account. He only discovered it by accident, buried 3 menus deep inside a customer service phone tree, after asking a representative if there was any way to lower his payment without refinancing. That's the part banks count on, that you never think to ask. If you ever land a work bonus, a tax refund, or an inheritance, you can hand your bank a lump sum toward your principal and request a recast, instead of letting that extra money just sit there earning nothing. We post 3 of these every day, so subscribe if you want the next one before your bank hopes you stumble onto it yourself. But there's a catch almost nobody explains up front. FHA loans and VA loans almost never qualify for a recast, only conventional loans typically do, and most banks require a minimum lump sum before they'll even consider the request. At Wells Fargo, that minimum is usually $5,000, and at some smaller lenders it climbs even higher. Even among banks that do allow it, the fees are wildly inconsistent. Chase charges around $150, PennyMac charges up to $500, and neither one lists the exact price anywhere on their website, so you have to call and ask directly. Comment below if your bank has ever mentioned a recast to you, because most homeowners say theirs never did. That Ohio homeowner is still in the same house today, on the same 30-year loan, at the same interest rate he signed back in 2018, just paying $400 less every single month for the rest of it. Hit the bell so this lands in your feed tomorrow, because the next one exposes a fee hiding inside your own paycheck that your employer never explains either.